never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, I'll go show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Yo, so today with Jerry Lee, rainbow items. This one I must share, very special. Guess what car I'm in? Come, let me show you. Yo, Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Oh sorry, I think I pressed the what. Okay, let's talk about this a bit with Jerry. Jerry, share with me what speakers are all these? What rainbow models are all these in this car? Let's talk with that boy.
Okay, this one is a tweeter. This one is the 4D tweeter with rotation and ambient light.
Oh, means you start
when you start, it will rotate out with the ambient light.
Okay.
So the ambient light can be controlled
through the
synchronized with the original ambient light.
Okay. Then we come down to what's the size of this?
4-inch mid-range.
4-inch.
Yes, 4-inch mid-range.
Here a bit hard to see. Let me show you closer look here. This is the tweeter. This is the mid-range 4-inch.
Okay. Then you have a 2 8-inch on the firewall.
On the firewall. Okay, I can see. I can see my leg. Okay. Some more.
Center speaker.
Oh, voila! Center speaker.
Atmos speaker.
Atmos speaker. Okay.
And also the rear speaker.
Okay, rear speaker. My side here can see a bit. Okay lah. Preview only lah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 speaker in this car. Wow.
And all these run in one DSP amplifier.
All these run in one DSP amplifier.
And it's factory pre-tuned with 3 settings.
Factory pre-tuned with 3 settings.
Yeah.
So let's say today I a bit kaya lah. I bought a Merc and I want a plug and play. I said, Jerry, I don't cut lah. I don't cut any wire. So I just come find your dealers. Buy this set. They will just plug it in, plug, plug. Just remove the old, just like a Lego top.
Correct.
Put in the DSP amp. This fella automatically settle. Got him. Then of course already have 3 preset lah.
3 preset already.
3 preset.
Don't need to tune already.
Don't need to tune already. But if I want to tune, can tune lah.
Can.
Still
can be fine tuned.
Still can be fine tuned by your own lah if you know how to tune lah.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing Nowadays, Merc also you got plug and play. Wow. So this is from Rainbow. Let me give you a closer look. Yeah, it's very nice. This one, especially this one's very nice. There's a motorized inside there. It will pop up with ambient lights inside there to make it cool. Wow. This C-Class, of course, this 4-inch. What catch my eye is the finishing of the casing finishing. Not many have this finishing, or else you'll be using what's the original of this speaker? B&W or what?
No. This one is the normal one.
Oh, normal one. Okay. Wow, this is nice. Okay, so standard lah. We have some sound sampling time of this car. Come, let's go. Okay, we'll be using from iPhone, Bluetooth over, Apple CarPlay. So good, you see, Apple CarPlay lagi. So we're going for Emma Hungry Bird. Let's go.